Good morning, fourth grade. So this is our last week of school. You made it through fourth grade, just 5 more days. And in the past couple of weeks, you have been watching me create some different science experiments. Some of you have even been creating them at your house. I have received many pictures of marshmallow towers, the sugar density tube. Some people I saw that it didn't work for them. That happened to me as well. The key is once you drop the water, you have to drop it really slow, or not it will mix together. But yeah, we were able to watch many cool experiments, and for our last week I want to use today to create some things at home that you can use to play with. So for today's experiment, we're going to be making bouncy balls just out of stuff that maybe you can find at the grocery store. If you would like to make this at home, you will need a cup of hot water. Be very careful with it. Some cornstarch. You can ask mom or dad to buy it at the store. It can be found in the baking aisle. We will need some food coloring, whatever color you like, some white glue, and borax. We won't be using all of it, but you can find this at the grocery store in the aisle with all the laundry detergent. You will also need 2 cups to be able to mix, and a spoon so you can mix your ingredients together. So for this experiment, you're going to need a cup to mix it together. We're going to need about half a cup of hot water. I'm going to take my hot water that I have here and fill it up about halfway. So there we have the hot water. And then we're going to get our spoon, and we're going to pour about a tablespoon, fill up the whole spoon with our borax. So that's about a tablespoon of borax, and I am going to drop it into our hot water solution, and then we're gonna mix it together until it is completely dissolved. Right, so we mixed it, and we're gonna put that to the side. And now we're going to get another. You can also use a bowl to mix your material. And in this cup, we're gonna get our glue and add 2 tablespoons of our glue. It's easier if we just take that top off. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of it. So there's 1. That's 1. We're going to add 1 more. And 2. You can have a fork, or you can even use your finger to just slide off the excess glue off the spoon. I will do that real quickly. We have 2 tablespoons of glue, and then we are going to use our cornstarch and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Let me open that up. We're going to take our cornstarch and scoop out 1 tablespoon. About this much should be enough. And we're going to add it to our glue solution. And then so our bouncy balls have some color to it, we're going to add about 2 drops of food coloring. I'm going to do yellow. You can add whatever color you like. I'm going to add about 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put that to the side. I'm going to take that and mix it together. While we are mixing it, I'm going to pull my half a cup of hot water, and I'm gonna dump my mixture of glue, cornstarch, and food coloring into the hot water. I'm gonna do that for you guys right now. I'm just gonna scoop out the whole mixture and then just drop it into the hot water. I'm gonna scoop out as much material from our glue mixture into the hot water. And then we're gonna let it sit there for about 10 seconds. Go ahead and count for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now after 10 seconds, we're gonna take our spoon and scoop out our mixture. This is what our mixture looks like as I scooped it out. Drop out the excess water and drop out the excess water, and now it's like kind of like a big ball in your hand, and you guys can go ahead and mold it into a ball. If it's still a bit sticky, mine is a bit sticky, I'm gonna roll it flat, dip it back into the water for about 5 seconds. All right, I think that should be good. And now we're gonna roll it in our hands until it becomes hard. The more that you guys roll it with your hand, it will become more firm or more hard. So just go ahead and roll it in our hands till we have a good consistency. Alright, after I've been rolling it in my hand for about 5 minutes, you want to roll it until it feels like kind of very silky and soft. You have created your own bouncy ball. So if you were able to make this at home, just go ahead and answer your question on Nearpod. And if you were not able to make it at home, do not worry. Just maybe through the summer, ask mom or dad if they can buy these products. Also, if your ball loses its bounce, just dip it in hot water, roll it into a ball, and it should be ready to play again.